Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add debit card in Kucoin. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Kucoin, click on the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you're planning to add a debit card in Kucoin, because basically Kucoin allows users to spend cryptocurrency at millions of locations, simplifying transactions with automatic currency conversions, and any debit card is accepted globally at locations where regular debit cards are accepted. And how do we do it? It's very simple. All I have to do is click on the upper right corner or click on the fast trade. As you can see, you will be hovered to the next page we're in. Say, for example, you wanted to buy a specific crypto, right? And you wanted to spend like 20 or 50, 100 or 200 US dollars, right? Okay, and you will receive this automatic conversion. And below is the accepted payment methods, Visa, MasterCard, and a lot more, 70 plus. When you hover to the option, as you can see, you can add a debit and credit card here, right? Now, all you have to do is to make sure that you have passed the KYC verification for the recovery of any lost funds once a problem occurs. All right, otherwise, if you haven't had the KYC verified yet, you won't be able to add a debit card as a form of selected payment method. But do remember that during the adding of the banks, make sure that you are logged into your bank so that it's going to be a lot easier. Now, for example, I have an account on Bank of America, and all I have to do is log into my account. So you can do the same as well. Say, for example, you have an account on Chase, HSBC. So I suggest at this point you need to log in. So it's a lot easier when you sign up for the add or debit card on your Kucoin. It's a lot easier because it's already been logged in. All right. Now, the thing is, if you encounter any problems adding a debit or credit card here in Kucoin, all I have to do is just go here at the Kucoin Help Center. And from here, all you have to do is select the topic that best suits your problem. Otherwise, click on the Kucoin Emilia. This virtual assistant is very helpful in case you encounter any problems adding a debit card in Kucoin. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.